I'm going to show you how to create a fixed asset master data with the Fiori app and with transaction code AS01 in SAP S/4HANA system. My name is Nuno Dias, and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in financing. I work as an SAP FICO Contract. In case you want to reach me out for projects, you can find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are now reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, please subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. I'm building a document that will become a PDF how to navigate in the SAP at a glance YouTube channel. If you want to receive the PDF once it's ready, please send me a message in my LinkedIn that you can find in the description of this video with your email, and then I'll send it to you once it's ready. This process, there is not much difference from the ECC version. However, in S4, we have the option to create with the Fiori app our fixed assets. We are going to see both of the options, and I want you to type in the comments which option do you prefer to use to create the fixed assets master data. And now, without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP menu, SAP GUI. So for the ones that don't know yet, financial accounting, financial accounting, fixed assets, asset, create, and AS01 transaction. So now in sites, I'm going to put the asset class that I need to create. My company code, I'm going to use as a similar to copy from something that I have already created. So then I'm going to create this asset. And then here I'm going to use my company code, so similar number, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to press enter. So by default in the tab of general, is coming populated what is from the other one. So here we can put something else, change the code. In your case, you should change the description of the asset. And then you can use a serial number, inventory number, quantity, depending on do you work. Last inventory on, if you are doing a migration, you have this for sure. And then here post capitalization on, this will be populated automatically when we purchase the asset or post invoice from the vendor. In the time dependent, what we have here, we have the cost center. So the asset is assigned to a cost center. This is mandatory field for us. Will be assigned to a profit center, and the segment as well. If I wanted to assign to a segment, I needed to choose a segment. So this could be assigned to a segment, where it's located, and so on. The origin, basically, I'm going to delete here. This is coming from the other one. When we buy, this field gets populated automatically. If it's a trading partner, and then here for the account assignment for investment, it means that asset under construction, we should put here our investment order. So then when we settle in controlling the order, the asset gets posted with values. In the depreciation areas, we have what is my chart of depreciations, what of my areas, depreciation keys, and then useful life. You can come here and you can define that the useful life is 9. But normally you should not be doing this because this is coming by default from the configuration. In your case, if it's not coming by default from the configuration, you need to put here this manually. Now what I do, I'm going there and I press save. The asset is created, and I can come here and then click in display, and then goes for another transaction code, which is AS03, and then I can see what I have just done. Now let's move for the Fiori app. So in the Fiori app, what you can do, let's remind, create assets. If you don't know where is it, so you have all of these options. I want to create a fixed asset. My Fiori app is already here. However, if you want to put the tile, you know that you need to come there, app finder, and then type here create asset. It's just a refreshing your memory. If you see my previous videos of how to navigate in Fiori app, you know how to do this. You know how to do this pretty well. So here you see that I have a create sub number. I could add this whatever I want in my folders. But it was just to let you know. Then we click on SAP and then we can get. So I'm going to create the asset, clicking there. I will use the same asset class. I'm going to put in my company code. As you can see, this is a similar transaction code, which means that is an emulation of the transaction code into the Fiori. So I put this, and I need to put similar assets because we are making a copy. Here I can click there as the other one, and I see what is open for my company code. I have all of these assets. I'm going to choose this one that was the last one that we opened, and then I will press OK. Again, master data. Okay, apologize. So if you see, I forgot to put my company code. That's why I'm having this error, which is good to see also sometimes some errors that I did not predict, but you can see that I was using another company code and the configuration is not synchronized with the configuration of the company code that we are creating here in this channel. So now what we can do, we can put version 2 for not to touch it, and then we can see that this is similar to the SAP version. So we have exactly the same fields. I have the same fields there. Time dependent, exactly the same thing. Okay. Origin, exactly the same thing. No more, no less fields. And then the precision area, the same thing. I'm going to press save. So this say that this asset was created. So what we can do here, we can create inside of the Fiori app. I can create there, click there, and then go to asset and then display. It's going to show me the last that I did. If you are enjoying this video as me doing for you, please make a like to us. Now you know how to create the fixed asset master data in SAP S/4HANA using the Fiori app and the transaction code AS01. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please subscribe to this channel to receive fresh new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.